Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, when the narcissist realizes you just don't give a fuck anymore. Now, you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time, and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. Before all of this, you was asking for them to change, begging for better behavior, to treat you with some respect, and have some common decency, to communicate better, listen to your concerns, give you more effort. But nah, that was too much. You asking the person who's supposed to love you to actually fucking love you right was like pulling teeth. Asking for support while you were grieving a loss. Asking for empathy while you weren't okay. When your job was stressing you the fuck out. When you felt family and friends weren't supportive enough. You know what the narcissist always did do though? Gave you a worse time. Made your life even more chaotic. And never decided to have your back. So when you actually make the brave and tough ass decision to become indifferent, to walk away, start being in search of peace outside of that relationship, not arguing back no more, hire you a divorce lawyer, move you and the kids out, make adjustments in how you spend your time, but the big one, go no contact? Shit. They ain't got no choice but to crash out. They ain't got no choice but to now unveil all of this insidious ass smear campaign behind your back, dragging out you picking up your stuff, manipulating the kids against you, making life difficult at your workplace, driving past your house, bothering you from random numbers, following you from fake ass accounts because control and manipulation mattered more than ever loving you right. See, when you gave a fuck, they enjoyed you being so loyal, committed, and forgiving. They loved the unhealed version of you because you had no boundaries, always said yes, and always found a way to support them through all of their bullshit. Oh, but now, when you choose you, now it becomes a problem because they got so used to that access, so used to being granted unearned grace, that they mad at you for not doing the same shit you used to. They mad at you that they abused their own privilege and went back in now and playing in your damn face. And I want you to consider the culmination of choices we have to make to fully convince ourselves that this was not a fucking place we are supposed to be. Consider the time, effort, and energy, but most importantly, the empathy that got wasted on a motherfucker whose only care and concern was themselves, who never checked to see if you were okay, and who literally smirked when you were flustered and emotional. Did that ever seem like a safe space to you? Like someone who would handle you with care? Someone who would speak life into you? Nah, what it seemed like was a place where you'd never grow, where every single accomplishment would be downplayed. Every effort that you made for those special occasions, oh, that would go unnoticed or underappreciated. But even worse, a place where your nervous system would never be at peace. You always had high ass anxiety. You always felt in your spirit this wasn't in alignment. And you always knew in your heart you deserved better. It's just that, well, love, right? But now that you're trying to get your mind right, let this professional crash out feel however the fuck they want to. You only got one of these things that we get called life. And I'm not about to let you keep walking around wasting your non-refundable ass time not being loved, not being appreciated, and not being treated with the respect you know damn well you fucking deserve. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.